birthday party today?
Yes.
Is it my birthday? And my baby brother?
Dito, galing. Here. Oh.
Daddy!
Oh. Yes, si Georgie, oh.
Tita Ching, oh.
Oh, kiss tita. Kiss mo na, tita.
Kiss kita. Hoy,
Kiss mo na, tita. Kasi laki mo na siya, lo.
kaya nga. Mas malaga pala ko kay Sai.
Malaki talaga ito.
Oh, hi!
Gano'n kami.
Ayun na si Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Kailangan mo si Chichi sa vlog mo. Kailangan mo si Chichi sa vlog mo. Hi, this is Chichi. Teka sa camera.
Daddy!
Hi. Yes po.
God bless. Dito kami ngayon guys sa birthday ni Simon guys, tsaka ni Gabi. Sai.
Wala na!
Isayas. Pagkamapit ka pa daw. Tayo tatlo. Guys, ito birthday boy. Picture sila. Tapos, ano ka no? Kaway ka no? Kaway ka na no? Pinukuhanan mo sila. Ito na yung mga picture natin. Yung iba natin pala dyan ang magnet. Ito natin.
Thank you po.
Ayan guys, nagre-ready na guys. Simon the Lion and ano to? Si Gabi the ano to? The birthday girl.
Kanini yan?
Dito kalbo. Ganto, tutok mo sa'yo pag ganyan no? Yan. Okay, lakad ka na. Lakad ka. Ito yung
Sa mga bisita, shout out.
Ito yung pinapogi nilang papa.
Shout out.
Okay, thank you everyone. So ready? Let's all welcome Simon and Gabi. Yan, dito lang tayo sa center. Okay, Ate Gabi, before we start, what do you want to say to all you guys that come to your birthday? And of course, to Kuya Simon.
I love you, Simon! Thank you
Wasag yung palakpakan naman po natin
Galing!
ang ating
Amazing!
birthday. In 3, 2, and 1.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! That will bring me a picture together with Simon and Gabi. Once again, a picture together with Simon and Gabi, digital man or hard copy. In 3, 2, 1, go! Celebrants. What's your name? Olivia. Thank you so much for joining in. Recent picture. Congratulations, Olivia. What's your name? Isaiah. Thank you so much, Isaiah. Bring me Pretty Mommy. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ito pretty mommy!
Olivia, thank you for joining.
Mami, tara na!
What's your name?
Mami na,
Rainy, thank you for joining Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for bringing your beautiful mom. Thank you so much. Once again, any kind of ID. Once again, thank you so much. And okay, now take your seats. Thank you so much, kids. Once again, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga kids natin for helping Kuya Clarence para makapili ng ating players for our next game. Ito natin ay madali lang naman. Tatawagin lang po natin siyang Kalot Alike Game. So, dito po na lang, and when I say jump, we'll all jump. Let's all jump. Jump, 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 jump. And when I say turn around, we will all turn around. So, turn around. Ikot tayo lang. Ikot. Turn around. And according to what number that Kuya Karen say, kung anong sasabihin kong number, you will group yourself. Okay? Okay. For example, warm up muna tayo. Warm up. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 and turn around. Group yourself into two. And you will find a group, or you will make a group that consists of 2 members. Ayan, okay lang yan. Kahit warm up pa lamang, warm up. Okay, once again, go back to your big circle. Balik tayo sa malaking bilog. Okay, once again, before we start, let's count. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 kids here in front. Okay, kids, are you ready? Ay, parang mahina ang kids natin. Once again, kids, are you ready? Ayan, let's start. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 and turn around. Group yourself into 5. Come on, group yourself into 5. Ayan. Careful lang tayo, kids, okay? Okay, let's count here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what's your name? What's your name? Dane. Thank you so much for joining, Dane. Palakpakan naman po natin si Dane. Thank you so much for joining. And once again, go back to your big circle. Balik tayo sa mga kids. Hello. Once again, balik tayo sa malaking bilog, kids. Hello. Ayan, once again, go back to your big circle. Let's go. Okay, once again, let's start. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 and turn around. And dance. Come on, dance. 1, 2. And now group yourself into, okay, into A.
Kissy face, set to your own butt. I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel.
Okay. Okay, let's count this group first. Ayan, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about this group? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Attention, palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very good, kids. And for our last speakers, kung tayo linang ng bilog, let's go. Come on, big circle, big circle. Okay, kids, ready? Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 shake. Gabby, I need more shake. Shake, 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 and turn around. Group yourself into 5. Come on, group yourself into 5.
So now you know the game. Are you ready?
Ayan. Parang ang ending. Okay, once again, group yourself into 5. Come on, group yourself into 5. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the 3 of you, thank you for joining. Palakpakan naman po natin silang tatlo. Ayan, including Gabby, thank you so much. Okay, dito tayo, kids. Let's go here. Once again, form your big circle. Circle. Okay, let's start. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 and turn around. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Group yourself into two. Thank you so much for joining. Kuya, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Thank you so much. And once again, go back to your big circle. Come on, go back to your big circle. Let's go back to your big circle. Okay. Once again, jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 and turn around. Group yourself into one. Into one. One only. Okay, group yourself into three. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are they 3? No. Okay, I'm asking a question. Who wants this prize? Sino gusto na ito? Who wants this prize? Thank you so much for joining. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, and ayan, dito tayo ate. What's your name? Otto, may hanap tayo sa ating guest. We have Autumn, Summer, and what's your name? Once again, ano pang name niya? What's your name once again? Kailin. Once again, we have Summer, Kailin, and Autumn. So, ang gagawin natin this time, at dahil tato na lang tayo, dapat this time may twist ang ating game. Kailangan this time magkakahiwalay na tayo, okay? So, Ate Autumn, dito ka sa gitna. We have, ayan, Kailin, dito ka. And Summer, you will stand right here, okay? Right here, okay? Are you ready, Summer? Are you ready? How about Autumn, are you ready?
Yeah.
How about Kailin, are you ready? Apo. Okay, let's start. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 and turn around. Okay, once again, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Group yourself into one. Okay, once again, group yourself into two. Okay. Ate Kailin, how you feel? Okay lang na sila nag-group yourself into two? Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Kailin, everybody. Ayan, very generous na bata. And dahil nga kayo nag-group yourself into two, let's all congratulate Kailin because Kailin is our winner! Congratulations, Kailin! Here's your prize. And to Autumn and Summer, thank you so much, Autumn and Summer. Once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga kids for our first kids game. And now, ay natatapos na tayo sa ating kids game. Now this time, kailangan naman makipag-cooperate ng ating mga adult for this program, no? Or for this part of our program. So, ayan, this time, kailangan ko lang ng help ni Mommy and Dad. We're choosing our players po para sa ating adult game. So, I need 5 members per girl sa ating adult. Same as the boys, yung 5 din para sa adult. Once again, si Mommy and Daddy po ang mamimili.
Ano masasabi mo sa birthday mo ngayon?
Happy birthday, Gabi. Bye-bye, Seth. Dahil yan sa Simon na yun. Pero kaso, hindi ka lalaki yun lahat. Dahil siya pumipikit na tulog.
Ah, okay. Di ko naintindihan.
Sabihin, close eyes. Close eyes. Close eyes. O, diba? Sumusunod.
Oo nga, no?
Sabihin, ate. Ate. Ate daw.
Galing, ang galing, ang galing. Very good, very good.
Sabihin, hi.